Did you know that you can feel pregnancy changes even before a missed period? I know it can be a bit difficult, differentiating it from actual premenstrual signs or symptoms. But truly, you can feel some of those changes even early enough before you miss your period. Hi everyone, I'm Beatrice. In this video, we'll look at some common early pregnancy signs a woman could experience even before a missed period. Before we look at those early signs that could suggest a woman is pregnant, let's look at what conception is or fertilization. So, fertilization has to do with the fusion of the male and female sex gamete to form what we call a zygote. Now, this happens in the ampulla of the fallopian tube. The fallopian tube has the widest part known as the ampulla. Now, once this fertilization occurs, the zygote travels down to the uterus. As it's traveling down, it undergoes some rapid division. It begins to divide into morula, into blastocyst, and then between day 6 to 10, implantation occurs. Implantation has to do with the attachment of that blastocyst, the formed zygote that has now developed into a blastocyst. It attaches to the uterine lining, the endometrial lining. It's this attachment that triggers some hormonal changes. The woman begins to produce more of progesterone and then some estrogen. And around day 10, 11, the woman begins to secrete, actually the placenta, the trophoblastic layer, begin to produce what we know as HCG. So that's when it can be detected in the urine or in the blood, that HCG, and then they say the woman is positive for pregnancy. Now, those changes, those early signs that are triggered even before the woman misses the period are what we're going to look at today. The first sign that you may notice is fatigue. So this fatigue has to do with extreme tiredness. So you feel unusually tired. When you wake up in the morning, it's as if you never slept. You feel so tired to the point you don't want to stand up. You don't want to go anywhere. I experienced this in one of my own pregnancies, so I could relate to that even before I actually missed my period. So you will see this tiredness, and that's because there are a lot of hormonal changes. The body is trying to adjust. There's increased production of progesterone and all those things. The next sign is breast changes. The breasts begin to grow bigger, so it gets enlarged, and you will feel some tenderness, some pain. The breast becomes so sensitive to touch. You feel uncomfortable when even your own hand touch the breast, especially around the nipple area. And then the areola can get darkened. So these are also because of hormonal changes. The breast is preparing for milk production. So you notice some of those changes. The next one is heightened sense of smell. So some women experience this even before a missed period. They become very sensitive to anything smell. For instance, the perfume they used before, when somebody wear it around them, they feel so nauseous, they feel so irritated. It becomes so strong to their, to their nose. And even some food they eat before, they feel so sensitive. Any smell at all around them, they feel too sensitive to it. It could be a sign that something beautiful is happening down there. Another one could be light spotting, or what we call implantation bleeding. Not all women experience it, but some women may experience it even before their missed period. They notice that the period came earlier, and they are saying the period is coming, but it's not really like a period. It's like pink or brown, just a little, so small that it's just as if they are just spotting. So they may notice this. It's because of that implantation where the baby is trying to attach. To be precise, actually the blastocyst is trying to attach to the uterine lining. So it can make some of the endometrial lining to shed off. So that's what the woman will feel as light spotting. Another one could be cramping. So this one, I experience it, like you feel this kind of pain as if it's menstrual pain. I think it can even be more serious. So then, because I was expecting, I was wishing to conceive. And when I felt that pain, though I've not missed my period, I was careful to take any medication. I was like, let me just bear this pain and see if it's pregnancy. And eventually, when I later tested positive for pregnancy, I discovered that, that was actually part of the process of conception. So some women feel that cramp, that pain, that as if their period is about to come, but they feel it's kind of unusual though. So it could be a sign that a baby is about to come. Then another one is frequent urination. Some women experience this. They notice that they are peeing more often than usual. So that's also part of some hormonal changes. And finally, bloating or feeling full. So some women experience this, like the usual premenstrual signs, when you feel full and feel bloated, you don't want to eat, or when you eat a little thing, you feel full. That's because the body is trying to hold on to more fluids and digestion slows down. So it's part of some hormonal changes that some women could experience. So that wraps up today's topic on early pregnancy signs, even before a missed period. If you find this video helpful, please like this video, share it with people that may find it beneficial. And I want to see your comment. You can share your experience, or if you're a man, you are watching this video, you want to share experience and how you were able to discover that your wife could be pregnant even before she was confirmed pregnant. Please leave your comment. Thanks for watching.